Somewhere between a cookie and a muffin, these cornbread madeleines have a crisp exterior, but then the inside is soft and cake-like or muffin-like.
Great as a snack with cane butter dip, or as a side to replace cornbread or rolls with barbecue or anything else you can dream of. The batter is quick and easy to whip up, beginning with eggs beaten in the bowl, melted butter, and whole milk. Mix that all together until it's combined well. In a large bowl, combine corn flour, cornmeal, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Stir that together with a spoon and then add in the wet ingredients. You can just use a spatula for this since the batter is pretty loose. Let the batter rest for about 15 minutes, allowing the cornmeal grains to absorb the liquid and soften a bit. This results in a more tender crumb. And then give it another stir. While the batter is resting, butter the Madeleine pan. Then spoon the batter into the molds, making sure not to overfill. Pop them into the oven for just 10 minutes. While the Madeleines bake, we'll make the dip. Simply combine butter and pure cane syrup, both at room temp, using a hand mixer. In just a few seconds, the combination is pure, sweet, buttery magic in a little dish. Just wait and see for yourself. When they're done, the Madeleines will be puffed in the middle and golden on the edges. When you flip them over, you'll see the distinctive lines of the shell from the Madeleine pan. The second batches tend to brown a bit more on the bottom, possibly looking even more delectable than the first.
And if you don't have a Madeleine pan, it's okay, no problem. You can still make this recipe in a mini cupcake tin. They're just gonna come out a little bit crispier, and of course the shape's gonna be different.
You can find the recipe for Cornbread Madeleines at homelessshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.